Alright, past the Bethesda Medical Center on the right. We'll go through the Golden Triangle. That's National Institute of Health. Oh, sorry. One of those things, Bethesda things. But we'll definitely go through the Golden Triangle because the place I need to go to is on the other side of Bethesda Metro. If you want to wreck right here, you can wreck right here. Feel good. There's a nice medical center right there to help you. Let's see how we work today. Come on, Grant. Oh, this is a cutie. She's a cutie. Look at this girl. Whoever's driving this thing up here, though, is... Oh, now... now I'll turn late. It's like you've fucking blown the whole light because of you. The whole damn light. And of course he's a Metro guy. Or something. Thank you, buddy. Driving around with his earbuds and a safety vest. Because he wants to be safe while violating the law. So, everybody else is gone. And we're sitting here. A bunch of dicks. Because of him. Alright, now we have to use my patented traffic avoid technique. I used to drive my girlfriend nuts, but she's happy, so what the hell. I guess in the long run I did the right thing by her. Oh, Jesus Christ. I wasn't going to. The guy was like 16 feet back from the stop sign. I wasn't going to stop for him. So this is the, I guess, the southeast edge. This is really the end of it. This is the more public part. The more county parts are off to the right. Let's see what it's going to take to get out of here. Cop right there. This guy's already halfway through the light. So he's my guard, see? I don't have to worry about anybody cutting me off. Alright, and no turn signal. That's cool. That works for me. As long as nobody hits me. Right, we are there, buddy. We're there. You're there. That's right, sweetheart. Let's watch to the left next time. I understand people that they pull out into like a divided road and they look to the right. The traffic on the right is 50 feet from you across the road. Just my radiator mount right there. Yeah, so the other thing I had to do is check, I had to put a pad on my fender because I wasn't sure if the scratch on top of my radiator was from my fender was from the bike bottoming out or because it already had a scratch on it from another bike. Because I've softened the front, reduced the front preload about as much as possible. And here we are. The thing I love about this place more than anything else is they have all the fittings I want here. So, now, there's Fastenal and all that kind of stuff all over the place, right? So it's not like necessary. Let's see, we're gonna park here. We have to park up and down the street. This bike. There's a place where no one's gonna run into it. It's just gonna be a little bit tricky. For me, it's always a matter of like, I know when I have it right when I have it right, and until then I'm like, fuck, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this works. Euro motocross. Alright, so we're gonna be in and out.